On this episode of Bobscaping, we're back to look at the burning bush that we did the Mr. Bill Major Chomp on just over 10 weeks ago. It was mid-June when we cut this back. As you can see, we cut some major branches. Here you can see a major branch cut there, and you can see how these side branches are beginning to sprout out of the main stems. You can see another one here, if I get the camera focused right. And up here you can see how they have emerged just below where we cut. There's the cut, and here are the side branches that are evolving from that major pruning. And down here you can see what we call adventitious buds sprouting along the stems, the main stems. Some of those appear at a place you wouldn't ordinarily suspect to see growth, and I guess that's why they're called adventitious. So all in all, especially considering the hot, dry weather we've had between when this was cut and now, I'm happy with the way it's looking. In the future, we'll begin to give it some shape again and get it back to a full, healthy looking shrub. All right. For this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.